Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create an easy Valentine's Day makeup look. I wanted to go a bit different and ditch the usual pinks and reds, so I went ahead with deep kohl eyes with browns and nudes. You guys know how much I love nude makeup. But before starting with the video, I would like to say this video is in collaboration with Deepti Ghai Sharma. I will leave her channel link in the description bar below, so don't forget to check her channel out as well. And now, finally, let's get started with the makeup. I'm gonna first start with Lakme CC cream and dot it all over my face. Yeah, that's how I dot it, like an easy way, convenient way for me. And then with my fingers, I'm gonna blend everything in. For concealer, I will be going ahead with my all-time favorite Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer. And then I'm going to quickly shape my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to apply Kajal heavily on my waterline. As you can see in the video that I have gone a bit overboard with my Kajal. I have applied it on my lower lash line as well. And then with my color bar smudger brush, I'm going to smudge it out. This was the first time I used Nykaa's EYEM Bold Kajal and I loved it. It is super soft and pigmented and I would suggest everyone to have it. Next, I'm going to bronze with, no, I'm not going to bronze. I'm going to use bronzer on my eyelid. You guys know the trick, I do it all the time. And then I'm going to apply blush. This is by Oriflame cream blush. I'm going to dot it over my cheek and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers. And with the same bronzing powder, I'm going to contour my face as well. Since this bronzer is not so brown and it's more towards the peach tone, I'm going to apply it slightly over my cream blush as well so that everything is set. That's why I love this bronzer because it suits me as a blush as well as a contour. Next, I'm going to apply mascara. And then using my current favorite highlighter, I'm going to take it on my pinky finger and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. You can see how much difference it has made. I'm going to even apply it on my cupid's bow and slightly on the cheek as well, the front portions of my cheek. And then with the blending brush, I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose and on my brow bone as well. I'm also going ahead and applying it on my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to take the Dolce Lipliner by Kylie Cosmetics and line my lips. I'm going to even fill my lips with the same. Next, I'm going to take this lip gloss by Voste. This is in the shade Turf Tan. This is such a beautiful nude shade, guys. I think it will suit medium skin tones as well because the best thing about this shade is that it is buildable. So I really love this shade. And now I'm going to quickly put falsies and come back. So guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's makeup look that I created for you. If you like it, please don't forget to share this video, like this video, comment your views below, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye!